Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're doing some geometry work with triangles, and we're just going to do perimeter and area. We're going to keep it simple. These aren't too bad. So the one thing to remember here is perimeter, you're always adding things up. Add up the sides. Area, you're going to involve multiplication. Okay, so here, perimeter, I can say perimeter if I add up the sides. So if I want to find the perimeter here, this is often how they present it. They give you the side lengths. And if I want to find the area here, they often give me the two quantities I need, and that's the base times the height. So we'll cover area in just a second. Let's just knock out this perimeter. So the perimeter would be equal to 3 plus 4 plus 7. And before anyone says anything, it is not drawn to scale. I know this. I drew it myself. So it's not drawn to scale. But here, if the side was 3 here, 4 here, and 7 here, then I add up those sides, I'll get my perimeter. So 3 plus 4 is 7, plus another 7, 14. Now, if these were inches, this would be inches. If these were feet, it'd be feet. This is going to be your unit. So I'm just going to write a general unit. So just a unit of distance. So here, that is how that would be presented. Now area. Area is what I've been wanting to get to, and I'll spend more time on, the bulk of my time. So the equation for area is area equals 1/2 base times height. So that is something you'll want to keep in the back of your mind, maybe commit it to memory, write it down in your notes. Area equals 1/2 base times height. Another way of doing this is saying I can multiply my base times my height, and then I can divide by 2. And that's more often what people do, because multiplying by 1/2 is the same thing as dividing by 2. Yay, fractions. So here, as we move forward, we're actually going to take, and this one's drawn a little bit better scale-wise, but let's say it's not drawn scale, but here, let's take these numbers, and I'm going to take my 1/2 and then multiply it to the base, which is 7. And multiply it to the height, which is 5. Okay? So from here, I actually got to go 7 times 5, or 1/2 times 7, either way. And you can actually do this on a calculator. Here we're going to get a decimal, so feel free to use a calculator if need be. But 7 times 5, 35, and then I can divide that by 2, or multiply by 1/2, either way you feel comfortable. And that is going to be 17.5. So here, this is 17.5. So again, you can just multiply the two quantities, but it's always you want to divide by 2. You want to cut it in half. Otherwise, you just found the area of a rectangle with a length and width of those. And triangles are actually half of that. Okay, so area of triangles, 1/2 base times height. That's the gist of that. And then perimeter, add up the sides. So perimeter, nice. Happy days. Area, not so bad. Just multiply, divide by 2. And that's just everything in a nutshell. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I'll answer you back, maybe make another video. Have fun, y'all.